State's Committee on Children has created a task force to study how state agencies respond to child sex abuse. The task force comes a week after a shocking case of sexual assault surfaced in Bristol. NBC Connecticut's Amanda Pitts joins us live now from the Capitol with more. Amanda?
Yeah, Kevin, these lawmakers essentially want more oversight into how state agencies investigate claims of child sex abuse to hopefully prevent any further cases like that extreme one out of Bristol. State lawmakers who sit on the Committee on Children created a task force Thursday to dig deeper into the issue of child sex abuse and the state's role in it.
This bill that we're raising today, at least the concept, would look at the state agency response to child sex abuse in its totality.
Democrat Representative Liz Linehan, co-chair of the Committee on Children, said the task force will examine DCF, judiciary, and the probate court's role with the goal of strengthening the laws on the books.
It's going to look at past cases. How did we react? It's going to look at cases from around the country. How did they do it better? It's going to find systemic problems in maybe how one department communicates with another.
She says while DCF has improved its investigating over the years, there's still a system-wide problem. Republican Representative William Pizzuto says the task force will be pushing for more transparency.
But let us intervene very early on and not have people's lives ruined because of lack of that intervention.
A sexual assault case out of Bristol cast a light on the lack of intervention when a 28-year-old woman came forward to police reporting sexual abuse at the hands of her caregiver, 63-year-old Roger Berrialt, who was arrested and charged with first-degree sexual assault. She claimed it started when she was 9 and continued for more than a decade. Her attorney called the case a multi-level failure by DCF.
It's a failure in investigating abuse and neglect, which is one of the primary, probably the primary job that they have.
He was in the room to see that task force be created.
I want to make sure that I can do whatever I can as somebody that represents clients to hold their feet to the fire and make sure that they're actually not just paying lip service to this issue.
Now, DCF has previously said that young woman was not placed in that home by them and they were not her foster parents, but her attorney says otherwise. You can find our full report on that case on NBCConnecticut.com. Live in Hartford, Amanda Pitts, NBC Connecticut News.